Hello, welcome to 5724 Rousseau Drive here in Huber Heights, Ohio. Here I have a 3-bed, 2 full bath. This is a brick ranch. It's got newer windows, newer roof and gutters. Notice the double wide driveway that leads back to the giant 2-car garage. Nice sized backyard, also has the covered patio here. Storage shed. The central air and furnace are believed to be 2018. Most of the property is fenced, everything but right here at the driveway, which could easily be done. And you got this enormous 2-car garage, detached. It's got power. Got a newer garage door on it. And I will meet you inside for the tour. Okay, welcome inside. As you see, vinyl plank flooring runs through all the house. This house has been recently updated. Got a nice sized window there. So at one time this was the garage, this was converted, and now you had this great family room area. The wood-burning fireplace. This room could be used for a lot of different purposes, including a bedroom if needed be. Get your closet off the door there. Kitchen. Stainless steel appliances. This would be a dining area here. Separate laundry room, which is nice. Got an updated panel box. This door leads out to the backyard. Got a little linen closet right here. Furnace, water heater, utility area here. Bedroom number 1. Full bath number 1. Here's your attic access. Bedroom number 2. And this would be the master bedroom with the ensuite bath. And you got the full bath in here. Pardon me as I move that back. And another updated full bath. That's a nice addition to have off the master here. This house is move-in ready. Thank you for taking this tour. Schedule your showing today.